9 passive income opportunities in financial service industry. If you're looking to make more money, I'm just going to share some simple 9 passive income opportunities, and it can be a huge business opportunity for you if you're looking to change your career. So hi, hello, this is Ganesh Santuru, your stock market profit coach and author of the book One Page Stock Market Plan and one more book Money Leaks. So I help you in multiplying your money by investing in stock market. But today I'm just going to share about 9 different passive income opportunities which helps you in getting financial freedom if you're doing it continuously, or at least in making passive income, because people think passive income is possible in stock market and bitcoins and all these areas. But genuinely, if you want to take it up as a business opportunity, either it can be a separate career for you, or even it can be a passive income. You can apply it, and if you do it a minimum, you'll be earning minimum few lakhs, few thousands per month to few lakhs per month, depending upon your potential, depending upon your capacity. So let me share about what is that thing I'm just telling right now, and then you decide by yourself whether if you really want to get into this kind of thing. Okay, so what I'm sharing right now is all about in the financial services industry. Services industry. Okay, are you really looking to make more money? Right. So type in yes if you're really interested in making more money, and if you're looking for some passive income. Say your income is less and you want more money, and your income is more, your expenses are more, you want more money. But all these are industries related to financial services, insurance, mutual funds, and everything. I'll show you one by one, right? So 9 different business opportunities are there, and it can be a passive income as well. The real passive income. Say you're employed, you want to make more money. You're working in, you are a business owner, but you have some passive time for which without investing much of your time, do you want to make money? This is the idea behind, right? Let me show you the different. These are the different things. Okay, let me show you one by one. The first business opportunity is becoming an LIC advisor. The credibility is always there, and you can easily become LIC advisor, making more money in your life. And the minimum requirement is you need to sell 12 policies in a year, and you can continue as a LIC advisor. And once you start making getting clients, automatically you will get reference, and they'll become a lifelong customer for you. So this is an option. And general insurance, you can sell so many policies like car insurance, home insurance, theft insurance, burglary alarm, burglary insurance. So all these are things which health insurance in particular. And with COVID, people are looking to get into buy health insurance, and car insurance is by default. And so if you want to get into this, you will be able to make more money in your life. And life insurance again, LIC is a separate life insurance corporation of India. It has a credibility of being a government organization. But when it comes to life insurance, we have other companies like HDFC, ICICI, and Kotak Mahindra. All these are having traditional policies as well as money back policies. Everybody will look for it, and annuities in particular, which will give you more. If you collect a premium, say 1 lakh, you will be getting an income of around, say, 30 to 40% in most of the companies. And this is an ULIP on top of it. If you can tap an HNIs, high net worth individuals, you'll be getting even bigger money. So this is one thing which you can look at. And becoming a mutual fund distributor, it's a lifelong thing, because it takes lots of time to get a client, and you will be getting a much lesser income, may say 0.5 to 0.75 percentage or 1 percentage of the total asset. So if you are making 1 crore of total asset in equities, the possibility is that you may be getting 75,000 spread over a period of 1 year. So if you make 100 crores over a period of say 5 years or 10 years, you'll be easily getting around say 0.75 percentage of the 100 crore, and that too 100 crores should be in equities. And you need lots of understanding, you need to clear the exam. All more things needs to be done if you want to become a mutual fund distributor. And another but lucrative option is stock market research analyst. Either you can join in a mutual fund company or a stock market related company, something like Motilal Oswal. And you can even become a own research analyst, like giving stock tips, getting registered with SEBI. You can become a much more bigger income possible, and that will be subscription based, because once people come to you for a year and they see that your stocks picks are really good, and year after year they will start joining you, and that will start doing really good. And financial products distributor again, either once you get partnered with fixed deposit companies like Bajaj, Shriram, and NCDs. And Carvey gives more bonds. They deal more with bonds. If you deal with Carvey, and Edelweiss separately like insurance. So if you have separate national level distributors are there, fixed deposit separately, all these things. Once you get partnered with them, the probability of you making bigger interest, bigger commissions that is there. So that is the idea. So if you have directly partnered with Shriram, the amount of interest commission you get is that maybe 0.2 0.3% extra. Why I'm saying this? Because there is another option like partnering with national level distributors, because they do the same thing. They partner with fixed deposits, bonds, stock market, mutual funds, and everything. So once you enter them, partner with NGO or Prudent or Bajaj or Edelweiss, you can do everything. But the point is, just for providing the platform, they take 0.2% or 0.15% extra. So whatever the commission what you're getting is, and you can always use their services. Like there are relationship managers in most of the cities. They will help you in closing down the policies or whatever. So they will help you in everything. So instead of doing insurance separately, mutual fund separately, and distribution separately, if you partner with these people, they will take care of everything. You can push every product to the customer, including loans you can do. So that is the advantage of becoming a partnering with national distributor. And as a national distributor, financial product distributor across India, you can even do loans separately. Loans also, I miss loans also a separate category, because if you become a specialist in business loan, people will come to you, and you can even finish loans like 100 crores and 200 crores, where your commissions are going to be very very huge. So that is the opportunities available for financial services. And another big thing is financial advisor, or RIA, registered investment advisor. Currently SEBI has clearly told that only the registered investment advisor can call themselves financial advisors, and they need to complete an exam called CFP, and a certified financial professional or investment advisor certification by SEBI. Because once you complete this, you can charge fees from the customer, and only the people who understand this concept, they will be ready to pay you. And easily you can make 10 to 15,000 per client. And think of, if you need 5 clients per month, and automatically you'll be able to become a make more money. And this is one advantage, because you don't need to depend upon all the commissions. Once you complete the exam, get registered with SEBI, and you start making money. And all the compliance details you need to maintain in Excel or whatever, so that whenever SEBI is visiting you, they will be able to see what are the things you are maintaining. And finally, the stock market trainer. Once you know stock market in and out, once you start making money, once you have records of how much recommendations you have given, how much positive it turned out, and you can start teaching people. It can be trading, it can be investing in stock market. While I do stock market investing training, where I teach people how to invest in stock market and make 20% returns, 20% returns every year without losing any penny. Right? This is the promise I give to people, because once they learn, understand each and everything about stock market, that makes it easier for everybody to invest. And because all along there are the product returns that come down, the interest, insurance interest that come down, the fixed deposit interest that come down, those will give you comfort of risk free returns. Whereas stock market can give you much bigger returns, but for that you need to be prepared enough to teach people. And to teach people, you should be very much confident, right? So these are the advantages of 9 different business opportunities or advantages of being in a financial industry. And why in this industry, and why I'm not saying, because the first and foremost, I am part of this industry, I know in and out, because for the last 7 plus years I've been trying to understand how this industry works and what are the different various avenues available. I tried to become an separate distributor separate distributor, and then partnered with NGO Prudent, and then slowly started working on my own, having directly dealing with mutual funds, directly dealing with insurance companies. And that was possible once I came to understand how these separate industries works, and why most of the people are not using this industries in a proficient manner, in the sense that there is a huge opportunity, and only the people who are making huge sum of money in one thing, either insurance or mutual funds or whatever, they are making it big, they are continuously doing it over a period of time. Others, they just use that opportunity to make money in 6 months or 1 year, and they don't see that big opportunity of making more money continuously. They just leave the industry, or they just looking to as a passive income opportunity, but that too in a not tapping it fully. So that is my take on this. And why this industry, you serve people, that is the most and foremost point. Once you start serving more people, automatically more people will come towards you and making investment, and you can make more money out of it. And continuous source of income, just think of your all your money, all your income is going to be coming from all the national distributors, either fixed deposits, mutual funds, or loans, or whatever. And that is a need for everybody. If somebody is not having money, they will be looking for loan. If somebody is having money, they'll be looking for investment. If somebody is retired, they'll be always looking for investing in safer deposits. So everywhere product requirement is there. Until you die, you can start do this be in this industry and serve people. And less penetrated industry, whatever you say, the amount of penetration of insurance or mutual funds or even stock market is very very less in India, and there is a huge possibility and scope for improvement. Only in the last 5 years, almost mutual fund industry has doubled, and health insurance penetration has gone up just because of COVID. All these are small things which is happening in the last 5 years, and now when you're entering, and India's growth in the next 20 years is going to be tremendous, because uh, India is just $2 trillion economy, and the next 10-20 years we need to become at least $5 to $10 trillion economy, and that is a huge possibility. And if you are in this industry, if you can serve people, and if you are dealing with money, and the possibility of you making money is very huge. So let me show you one more time what are the things available, and just go through these options again and see whether this is what you want to do in your life. In the sense, like, if you want to make more money, this industry can always serve you, always help you to make more money, and you can help your people as well. So in your surrounding, in your locality, you can look local as well as global, because you can serve people across India, across the globe, all the Indians, because we have more people, no? So once you establish your credibility over a period of time, automatically the possibility of making money becomes huge in this industry. So hope this was helpful. If anybody is having any questions in any of this, and you can reach out to me, post your comment in the comment section, and I'll be giving out your, and also I'll be sharing a link for, I'm just going to charge a simple fees if you want to know more about each industry separately, because I have a course where I'll be telling you how much money you can earn in any industry, as an LIC advisor, as an mutual fund distributor, as an everything, right? So once you know deeper, you can select which one is suitable for you. And probably only two industries needs two things: a stock market needs research analyst or equity sales certification, and mutual fund needs a certification. Insurance is a simple exam, you can watch it over, and easily you can complete it. So you can start making money from easily, and all the industries will help you like anything, because they need people, and the people who are joining in, most of them are quitting. And once 100 people joining in means only maybe 40-50 people stay, remaining people will go away after a few years or few months. Okay, so the possibility is huge. So if you want to know more about this industry and how to make more money in specific things, I have a course separate in the same name, 9 different passive income opportunities, right? So if you're interested, click the link, make the payment of, I just posted in the comment section, Instamojo link. So if you're interested, click the link and join my course, and I'll help you in connecting with all these, any of these, right? So you can try any of these, and probably you can start making money. So no, I don't have any things in this, so you can become an independent insurance advisor or independent mutual fund distributor by yourself, right? I'm just showing you a way. If you're interested, you can start making money. I just need a commitment, so that I'm just charging you a minimal amount, so that you join in and see what is available inside the course, right? Thank you so much for watching, and if you like this video, kindly share this video with your friends, so let them also know about what is available inside this course, and let them also explore. Thank you. See you in the next video, and if kindly click the subscriber button, so that everybody knows about this kind of information on financial services industry. Thank you.